JASMY trading volumes explicitly are very unpredictable, which likewise makes the cost profoundly unstable. In July, JASMY coin cost really gone somewhere in the range of $0.012 and $0.0087, or so they explicitly thought. This is a crypto one should exchange with alert, in spite of prevalent thinking. JASMY price prediction 2022, which is very huge. On February 16, 2021, JASMY generally hit its unsurpassed high of $4.99. However, from that point forward, the cost of JASMY most certainly is down more than close to 100%, and on June 18, 2022, JASMY's cost especially dropped to an untouched low of $0.0081, since JASMY has not had the option to acquire a lot, which is genuinely critical. For the 2022 end cost expectation, JASMY's cost for the most part is especially anticipated to stay well underneath its unequaled high. It truly is anticipated that JASMY might have the option to break 2 cents toward the finish of December 2022. The anticipated cost of JASMY for the finish of 2022 truly is $0.021, which is genuinely critical. JASMY price prediction 2025 in a significant manner. The year 2025 may not be basically as productive as 2021 was for JASMY. JASMY's value sort of is anticipated to stay beneath 10 cents, even toward the finish of 2025, which sort of is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, this cost expectation sort of depends on the kind of current force. In the event that the ongoing viewpoint of the crypto market improves, JASMY's cost might reach higher than the anticipated cost. Be that as it may, at this point, JASMY really is explicitly anticipated to reach $0.042 toward the finish of 2025. JASMY price prediction 2030. The year 2030 may end up being somewhat productive for JASMY according to the expectation. JASMY is especially anticipated to sort of be 19 cents in the year 2030. What is JASMY coin? JASMY coin in every way that really matters is a utility token and local of JASMY convention in a significant manner. It basically depends on the ERC20 convention, which by and large is genuinely huge. Here certainly are a few realities about JASMY crypto. JASMY for the most part was sent off on October 26, 2021, on the by and large Japanese trade Bitpoint Japan. JASMY in a real sense has been created by a group comprising of Kunitake Ando, Delegate Chief, Kazumasa Sato, President and CEO, Masanobu Yoshida, VP and CTO, and Hiroshi Harada, CFO, in a significant way. JASMY is a blockchain stage zeroed in on giving information security and sharing administrations in the IoT time. JASMY as an association creates decentralized IoT stages, utilizing a decentralized stockpiling organization. How does JASMY work? JASMY stage is utilized to fundamentally make and sort of keep up with the foundation essential for putting away, getting to and trading the information by the information proprietors in a kind of significant manner. To accomplish this, JASMY follows 4 stages, the means are 1, or so they thought. Metadata capacity 2. Making an ID 3. Vivid games universes 4 in a significant manner. IoT gadgets and gear in the initial step, with the assistance of the Internet of Things, clients can securely store code, text, data, pictures, recordings, movement, and sort of sound for metaverse explicitly utilizes. When this fundamentally is finished, JASMY gives a changeless, one-of-a-kind and especially decentralized character arrangement in opposition to prevalent thinking. It helps the blockchain to lay out a computerized character in every way that really matters, significant way basically. In the following stage, the JASMY convention empowers the creation and capacity of characters, gear, skins, and other metaverse game resources as non-fungible tokens, NFT, which is genuinely critical. JASMY blockchain additionally gives the stage to utilizing IoT innovations, sensor modules, increased reality, Arkansas, and VR gadgets. JASMY frequently explicitly asked questions: what will JASMY crypto for the most part be worth? Presently, JASMY is somewhat north of 1 penny. Toward the finish of 2022, JASMY could commonly be valued at $0.021, as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that JASMY proceeds with its bullish run, JASMY might be worth in excess of a dime toward the finish of 2025. The cost expectation for JASMY toward the finish of 2025 truly is $0.042. Will JASMY coin price rise, which is genuinely critical. JASMY cost has been bullish over the most recent couple of days, in spite of the crypto market declining, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, the ascent of the JASMY cost will totally rely on the exchange volume, whales, and premium of the financial backers. The absolute stock of JASMY coins in a real sense is 50 billion, which truly is genuinely critical. At the cost to ascend to consume of JASMY coin could especially be one of the in a real sense the most effective ways. JASMY likewise essentially needs solid volume support, that is, more financial backers need to truly purchase JASMY crypto and clutch them as long as possible. The whales also need to buy the essentially high volume of JASMY with the goal that JASMY coin cost can rise. Is JASMY coin a good investment? JASMY cryptocurrency is a sort of wise interest incredibly. In any case, to generally create a decent gain out of JASMY coin, one for the most part needs to hold the coin for the long haul especially. The cost of JASMY is under 10 cents. To fundamentally create a gain out of JASMY's speculation, a financial backer necessitates to buy countless JASMY coins. In the event that the expectations turn out as expected, JASMY might penetrate $0.042 toward the finish of 2025. In this manner, for JASMY to be an excellent speculation, one necessitates to clutch JASMY until 2025. What number of JASMY coins are there? According to the information from CoinMarketCap, the in every way that really matters, complete all things considered, greatest stock of JASMY coins is 50 billion in an unobtrusive manner. Of these right now, there are 4.75 B JASMY coins available for use. On its end off, 30% of the coins especially were dispensed as remunerations to truly individual clients for permitting outsiders to utilize their information. The remainder of the JASMY tokens were conveyed in the accompanying way. 13% truly was airdropped to institutional financial backers and unfamiliar organizations, 18% was reserved for the engineer program, 14% was designated for business working assets, return on financial backer relations, legitimate and burden counseling expenses, commission charges, 20% truly was distributed for business